Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, on this wonderful day, should I say, we are changing the secondary air pump on the Sl65. You probably might have seen the video I uploaded yesterday of it, having a little walk around, showing what it is. But this secondary air pump's whining a lot. So we're gonna attempt to change it a little bit different to the Sl65, because the Sl55s are right under the wheel arch. On these V12 bi-turbos, they're buried in the engine bay. So here it is, guys. Trust the can of Monster, keep me going. So put this torch on. There's the secondary air pump. Now, it may look like it's fairly accessible, but seeing as you've got the coil pack in the way, you got the radiator fan. So what I'm thinking is the easiest way to do this is to take the fan out. You can see I've already started to remove it, but at the moment it's catching on that aircon pipe and that coolant hose. So it's being a little bit of a pig. So I'll show you the new one I've got. Walk over here to the desk. This new one, get this off eBay, brand new, obviously non-genuine Mercedes part. I think it was about £98 delivered. Didn't even ring Mercedes to get a price on it because it'll probably be absolutely ridiculous. So got the radiator fan out. Easiest way to do it is remove this top bar, which is this bar here. It's held in by 3 10mm nuts either side. Pull the radiator this way and then jiggle it up, and then what you need to do is you need to put a bit of pressure on it, pull it over to the driver's side, and then it will come up past that hose. So put the torch back on, had to die. There's the air pump. So the other main reason for removing this top bar is so when you get the air pump out, you can actually pull this forward. It'll give you a bit more room to get it out. So now I've just got to work out how it comes out. Okay, so the pump's out. It was a lot easier than expected. Old one's quite manky. So have a look down here, turn my torch on. Down here, there's the plug for it. Squeeze it either side, it pulls off, and then it attaches to that bracket with 3 E10 bolts. 8mm socket will fit it quite nicely, and all you do is once you've undone the bolts, you pull it out slightly, you pull off that pipe, it just pops on. Then you pull the radiator to the front of the car, and then it will wig out the top. So all back together, pretty straightforward. Just put it back together the way you took it apart. So let's start it up and see if it still makes the whining noise. But I'm pretty confident it's not going to. Whining noise has gone. So, hope you like this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, drop some comments if you've got any questions about what to do when changing this part on this vehicle. Stay tuned, have a good day.